Hello, namaste, vanakkam, namaskara. How are you all doing? आप कैसे हो? தமை கேம் છો? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സുഖമാണോ? Yes, this is Flying Skies 1. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Thank you for all the support from the viewers and the subscribers. Thank you so much. Recently, you all know Shopee has closed its operations from India and have made a video on it. So when I received the notice of closure from Shopee, I quickly rushed to place some orders. These were the orders that I have placed. The first is a long frock. It has come with earrings as shown in the picture. This is a beautiful frock. It comes with floral design all over it. It is available in all sizes. Is it not beautiful? Let me know in the comment section, right? Okay. The next product I have purchased here is ceiling clips. As shown in the picture, it comes with a pack of 18 and it's available in all medium, small and extra large. I have sorted these clips according to their sizes as shown in the picture. You can see different colors. It's a multicolored pack of 18. These are basically used for sealing plastic bags. The application I have shown in the picture, how you can use them then and there to seal the bags after being used, right? Okay. Next, I'll be speaking of a funnel. A silicone funnel. If any of you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and share with your friends and family. Please don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. Thank you for subscribing to Flying Skies 1. Thank you. Thanks a lot. The silicone funnel is flexible and you can see how I opened it. Whenever you want to use, you can open it and use as shown in the picture. How is the funnel? Did you ever use the silicone funnel? Please let me know in the comment section. I have used it for pouring water into the bottle. The next item I have purchased here is this is sound and dust proof guard that is used for doors. Whenever you feel that you have fear of rats entering into your house, you can seal the doors using this guard. It's a gap sealer of doors. This guard is useful to stop the light, dust or cool air from entering into your house. See, this is how you have to fill the gaps as shown in the picture. It's very easy to use and comfortable. Of all the products, which product did you like? Please let me know in the comment section. And that's it for today. I hope this is not my last video of Shopee. Hopefully not, because I want to make more videos on Shopee once the Shopee operations are resumed in India. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies 1. And please don't forget to subscribe. Good day. Keep smiling.